Hello students, in previous video we solved problem on LCM and this video we solve problem on LCF. We solve question number second, part first. Here algebraic expression in given in this form. We find factor of this by middle term splitting method. The factor of prime factor of 12 given by divided by 2 6, again divided by 2 3, and again divided by 3 1. Here 12 break in form of -7. Here given sign is positive plus, it means two number choose whose sum is -7. So we take 4 and 3, -4 and -3. If we add, we have -7, and if we multiply, we have 12. So we write x square as it is 7x in form of 4x minus 3x plus 12. We take common x, we have x minus 4, and take minus 3 common, x minus 4. X minus 4 common, x minus 3 as it is. So factor of given algebraic expression is x minus 4 and x minus 3. Next, vx equals to x square minus 10x plus 21. We again factor of 21. Divided by 3, we have 7, again divided by 7, 1. 21 break in form of -10. Here sign also positive. Two number add, we get -10. We take -3 and -4. If we add, we have -10, and if we multiply, we get 21. So we write -10 in form of -3x and -7x. X square minus 3x minus 7x and plus 21 as it is. We take x common, first two term, we have x minus 3 and -7 common, last two term, we have x minus 3. Again, whole common, x minus 3, x minus 7 as it is. So factor of given Vx algebraic expression, x minus 3 and x minus 7. Next, Wx, x square plus 2x minus 15. We take prime factor of 15. We divided by 3, we have 5, again divided by 5, we have 1. 15 break in two numbers. Here sign will be negative. We know that two number difference only one condition, when sign will be changed. So we take sign of 5 is positive and sign of 3 is negative because we require 2. We write x square 2x in form of 5x minus 3x minus 15. We take x common, first two terms x plus 5, take minus 3 common, x plus 5 and x plus 5 common, we have x minus 3. We find SCF. We know that SCF we take smallest common power of factor. So SCF of given algebraic expression, smallest common power of factor, here x minus 4 is not common, x minus 3 and x minus 3 is common, so we write x minus 3. Again x minus 7 is not common, so we do not write here, and x plus 5 is not common, so we do not write here. So SCF of given algebraic expression given by x minus 3. But ux equals to 24 bracket 6 into s to the power 4 minus x cube minus 2 x square bracket close. We first find prime factor of 24. 24 divided by 2 we have 12, again divided by 2 we have 6, and 6 divided by 2 3, and 3 divided by 3 1. So 24 we write in form of to the power 3 into 3 and 6 to the power 4 minus x cube 2x square as it is. If we look this algebraic expression, we find x square is common in whole. So we take x square is common. X square is common. We have 6x square minus x minus 2. We find factor of this algebraic expression by middle term splitting method. We know that 2 into 6 12. We split minus 1x in form of 12. So we write 6x square minus 4x plus 3, because if we add we have minus x, and if we multiply we have minus 12. To the power 3 into 3 x square as it is. If we common 2x from first two term, we have 3x minus 2. Sorry, here write x. Again we take common is 1. We have 3x minus 2. To the power 3 into 3x square and 3x minus 2 common in whole, we have 2x plus 1. Again vx equals to 20 bracket 6x to the power 6 plus 5x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 bracket close. If we find prime factor of 20, we have 20 divided by 2, we have 10, again divided by 2, 5 divided by 5, 1. So 20 write to the power 2 into 5 and 6 s to the power 6 plus 5 s to the power 5 plus s to the power 4 as it is. If look this algebraic expression, we have s to the power 4 is common in whole. So we take s to the power 4 common, we get 6x square plus 5x plus 1. again we write 2 to the power 2 as it is and 5 as it is, x to the power 4 as it is. And here we use middle term splitting method for this algebraic expression. We multiply 1 into 6. We split this 5x in form of 6x square as it is, 3x plus 2x plus 1. If we add 3x plus 2x, we get 5x. If we multiply 3 into 2, 6. To the power 2, 5 into x to the power 4 as it is. If we take common 3x from first two term, we have 2x plus 1. Again 1 is common. Last two term we get 2x plus 1. To the power 2 into 5 x to the power 4 into 2x plus 1 common and 3x plus 1 as it is. We find HCF. We know that we take smallest common power of factor. Here factor of ux given by this and factor of vx given by this. On comparing, we take smallest common power of factor. Here 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. Smallest common power is 2 to the power 2 is common. 3 is not common, so we do not write here. Again, on comparing x square, here x to the power 4, but smallest power is x to the power 2, so we write x to the power 2. 3x minus 2 not common, so we do not write here. 2x plus 1 is common, so we write 2x plus 1. To the power 2, 4 into x square into 2x plus 1. 4x square, 2x plus 1. We multiply 4x square into 2x plus 1. We have 8x cube plus 4x square. Required answer.